Hi everyone, I'm going to show you the fastest way to do VLookUp formula in Excel, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated for more Excel tricks. So in this my Excel data, the data import from purchase system, I have account and manager's name. I'm getting another set of data at the payment, but this one only show account without the manager's name. So I'm going to retrieve the manager's name according to the account number. So we move to cell F4, then we start the formula with equal, type V, then from the drop down we double click the VLookUp and we move to the formula bar, click FX in order to come to the function argument. So first argument lookup value is from current table, which data that you want to find. So I'm using the account number C4. Then we move to table array. Table array, where do you want to retrieve the data from? So I'm going to the purchase data and I'm selecting the account with the manager column. So based on the account number, I can match the manager. So our selection C until D column. Then I want my answer for D column. So our column index number, account column number 1, manager column number 2. Then last, range lookup. In order to get exact match, to match the account number with the manager, we must use false, and false can be substituted with 0. So 0 represent exact match. So we have completed and we can get the manager's name. And also I would like to later copy all the formula for other account number, and for table array I need to freeze the cell. So I'm selecting the C3 to D7 and using the shortcut F4 to freeze the cell with dollar symbol. This is in order when you copy down, we still remain with the range of C3 until D7 from the table that you want to retrieve. Then click OK. Then we can move to the right corner bottom of the cell, double click. Then we can quickly get all the manager's name, and there are some of the account number with NA. So this account number we couldn't find at the purchasing data. So this is the fastest way to do VLookUp, and we can use VLookUp in order to compile, reconcile the data. See you next time. Thank you for watching.